In this video, I am going to talk about the 3 reasons why I am getting rid of my aftermarket swivel neck thermostat for my case swap. First thing I noticed was the aftermarket swivel neck thermostat. My car was running much cooler. I noticed the temperature reading on the Honda while the car is in motion. It was around 160-ish. So here I have the TSX OEM thermostat installed. I'm running about 180 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit in motion, which is what Honda intended for these motors for normal operating temperatures. Here I have taken apart the aftermarket thermostat to see the difference between the OEM versus the aftermarket. First, the aftermarket is rated at a lower temperature than the OEM. You can see the size differences. The aftermarket is much smaller in size and only has 1 spring compared to the OEM thermostat, which has 2 springs. Now for the second issue, were leaks from the Torx that was provided with this aftermarket thermostat housing. This was even after using Teflon tape. Okay, third issue are any sensors I put in the housing. Either the sensors would hit the thermostat inside, or the sensors would not thread all the way because the casing is just too small for it. So in conclusion, I had to make a custom bracket to mount the OEM thermostat, which basically gave me my own OEM swivel neck thermostat. If you like what you saw or found this useful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and please share this video. Thank you.